In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use geolocation in Civil 3D. By the end, you'll know how to place your drawing in real-world coordinates and display live map data behind your design, which is helpful for context, collaboration, and aligning with survey information. Start by opening your Civil 3D drawing. If this is a project file, it's a good idea to work on a copy so you can experiment safely. Make sure your drawing units and north direction are set as intended, because geolocation relies on consistent project settings. Next, head to the Insert tab, then choose Set Location. You'll see two choices, from Map or from File. Select from Map if you want to use Autodesk's online map service to pick a location interactively. This is great when you know the site address or can navigate to it on the map. Choose from File if your organization has provided a geo-referenced data source or a predefined location file that anchors the drawing to a coordinate system. Both options ultimately place your drawing into the correct position on the Earth. If you're prompted to sign in, log into your Autodesk account. This step is often required for accessing online map data. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and the correct account, especially if you're working under a company subscription. If you're offline, the From File option can be a useful alternative. Now, set the coordinate system and the location for your drawing. This is the most important part. Pick the coordinate system that matches your project's survey or GIS data. If you know the region and projection your team uses, search for it by name or code. When using From Map, you can navigate to your site, enter an address or coordinates, and then assign the appropriate coordinate system so your drawing aligns correctly. If your organization supplied a reference file, ensure the coordinate system you select matches that file system. Pay attention to units and projection. Mismatches are the most common cause of misalignment. Once you confirm the location and coordinate system, your drawing will display with geolocated map data. You should see background imagery or a road map behind your geometry positioned accurately. If things look shifted, double check the coordinate system and try a zoom extents to reframe the view. You can also adjust the map display settings later for clarity or performance. That's it. You've positioned your drawing in real-world space and enabled map data for context. Consider saving your file with a clear name to capture this setup, and you're ready to continue designing with confidence.